Hello, Fox. I would like you to bear with me in this video because this is going to be the most important video you will watch during the whole year. Last video I made about Nvidia, I received a lot of dislikes and hatred comments. I can understand that because Nvidia has ultras just like uh, Bitcoin ultras or XRP ultras. They want Nvidia to be something like Bitcoin, go from zero to 100,000. But anyway, I can understand that. In this video, I'm going to highlight the S&P index. And as you can see, this is the S&P daily chart. The S&P since 2022 has formed an expanding rising bullish diagonal, which is a big reversal sign. In addition to that, it has formed, as I can see it or as I can interpret it, a five Elliott waves: wave one, wave two, wave three, wave four, wave five. And we are in the middle of wave five now. Has it ended yet? Is it uh, is it going to go a little bit higher? I can't confirm it or deny it. But I can all I can tell. But I'm poised now, especially that we have here. If you have watched it, if you can see this red line, some kind of a small trend line. If it broke it, it's going to be like 50% confirmation. Once the price break the red simple moving average, it's going to be a 100% confirmation for me, and I'm going to be short selling the S&P. Uh, now, Now, this is for the S&P. I would like to share something with you also. This is the S&P 500 to gold ratio. In other words, this is the S&P valuation in the real money. Because everything is happy on the Bloomberg and CNBC celebrating that the S&P has reached the all-time high and we have outperformed this and that, and people go out and celebrate that they have made a lot of money, but yet the fact is that all of that is inflation. Most of that since since the tech bubble in the year 2000, and the S&P is falling due to the not hyperinflation, due to the massive inflation in the US dollar. So the price here now in gold is way lower than the year 2000. However, here on this chart, the price was way higher, valued in the US dollar, which is not a good sign. Just another proof that this is the real price of the S&P. If you went back to here 1971, this is the Nixon shock when he canceled the gold cover, when he decoupled the USD from the gold, and the S&P literally collapsed here at this point, right? This is like it went back to 1938, before the World War II, 1933 even. All right, so this is the pre-World War era after 1971, and it seems like it's going to be repeated here. The price went up and it's curving and seems to be bearish from this sign. It's like a double top here. If we draw a line here, it's going to be a neckline. Once it breaks it, it's going to be a confirmation. So be cautious. All I would like to say, I'm not saying to sell or buy. Kindly don't take this as a financial advice. This is only, I'm just sharing with you my thoughts and ideas and telling you to be cautious. Okay. Also,
if we highlighted the composition of the S&P 500 companies here, we'll find that the first seven companies are forming around 30% of the index weights 30%. Nvidia, the first one at the top, forms 7.18. Let me go back to Nvidia to highlight it. Okay, this is Nvidia. I have said that it has formed some kind of bubble top. That was 2 days ago before this gap occurs. And this is the neckline to me. And once it breaks the red line, the red SMA is going to be a confirmation. This is for the daily chart here. And there was a divergence here, by the way, in the stochastic oscillator, but it's not reflected. There's a huge divergence between the S&P, the NVIDIA, and the stochastic oscillator. Also, if I went to the monthly chart, we'll find that during August it has formed a shooting star candle. Okay, so on the daily chart, there's a bubble top. Here is a shooting star, which is a reversal candle, insinuating that in September it's going to be reversal. Let's go back to S&P because I would like to show you one last thing. Here there is something called. I would like to show you the seasonality. Sorry. All right. Anyway, if you went to check on the seasonality of the S&P, you'll find that September, the month, is usually a bearish month in general. So be cautious and don't forget to subscribe to this channel because you are going to learn a lot from this channel. Subscribing to this channel is very helpful to you. Follow me and kindly share with me your comments, whether if you agree or disagree. Tell me what's in your mind. You can follow also my channel on TradingView. And thank you very much for watching.